Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make a cute dog. Let's start. You can start with the eyes. Make two big circles and symmetric. Then the nose, small line to make the dog's snout. Now make a long tongue and the jaw. Add some extra circles in the eyes. Two small ones to make a reflection. Now complete the face. Go from the cheek and then to the snout. Complete the head, and we want to make very long ears. So start from the top, going upward, then down, and then backwards. Try to keep the same shape. All the way up and fill the gap. And let's move to the other ear. Now let's move to the body. Let's make one foot, small circular shape for the toes, then going up, the same with the other foot. Semicircle for the toes. Finish the belly. And that's it. We're done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you.